Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, all your way. I am the greatest healer of all time. With the message bad health is big business, I'm here to put them out of business. Listen, if we are what we eat, if we cheat, sometimes it happens. We must treat, find out how to treat. I need you guys on a massage bed at least twice a month in general. That's going to help. Open up that lymph system, decompress that nervous system. I need you guys to stay away from pork. I need you to stay away from shellfish. Start eating. Give your guys a fighting chance out here. Because it says that these animals carry a negative energy that stays in your body for 8 days, an 8-day filtration cycle where if anything you touch, that's a handshake, sleep with, intimate, create, birth. You pass that negative energy towards, that's generational lack, that's a generational curse, especially if you compound those meals and you lose track of those 8 days. That's generational lack, that's generational curse that stops today. Please stop cutting your beard. Cutting your hair is the outer representation of your nervous system. And we would not go cutting our nervous system. Why? Because we would short circuit ourselves. So as we short circuit ourselves on a nightly, monthly, weekly basis, think about it. Head swelling, which what we call age, which is illness, is at an all-time high. PTSD, stroke is at an all-time high at the age of an all-time low, guys. We easily invest into our death and think nothing of it. Drinking, partying. I urge you to invest into your health. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. You only get stronger and wiser. Life does not get any easier. You only get stronger and wiser. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to get your endurance up. Guys, if you want to find your purpose, you need to fall into your service. How can I help you? How can you help me? How are you going to help the world? What do you have that we need that helps breathe life into our existence? We don't care about style and being cool. What do you have that is vital to my existence down here? When you fall in love with your purpose, you find your purpose when you fall in love with your service, guys. All right. You guys ready for your word of the day? Eyes roll back. Let's take a deep breath, taking all the positive energy of the universe into our stomach. Exhale all those negative thoughts. All right, Cancer, you guys ready for your word? My water babies, it seems to me that you guys have been like a whirlpool. It seems to me that you guys have been a wave pool. It seems to me that you guys have had troubled waters because you're wondering what are you walking into? What's the next stage in life? You've been asking for opportunity and now you've been given it. You are stepping into the frequency of creation. So what are you creating? Cancer, is it a new lifestyle? Is it a new job? Is it a new relationship? Is it new character carving qualities? Right now you're in a vibration of creation. Lord, God, light, spirit, universe, energy is asking you, what do you want to create? Is it your favorite? Is it a skate park? Is it a song? Do you want to be an artist? Do you want to be an actor? Do you want to have your own fast food place? Do you want to have your own healing practice? Do you want to be a public speaker? Do you want to be a doctor? This is a time that you can shape your path on where you want to really go. What is your purpose? What is your service? What are you good at that you can help me? What do you specialize in every day that you think of and you work at every day that everyone else may be good at, but you work at and think of every day? That is your service. Fall in love with that because that is your purpose. Bring that out. That's called having a business. That's a product. No more 9 to 5, baby. I have the power to direct my life. I'm telling you, you guys have a chance right now. Do not falter. With constructive attitude, I create what is best for my soul. Be constructive, use discernment. Be creative, baby. I create the best for my soul. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer world by turning every thought into an affirmative action. Affirmation, that means a confirmation, a Affirmation confirmation means is that you're making the decision and what you're asking for you definitely want. You are checking in once again on the life that you're going to create. I act in the image of God and I bring light into my life. It's time to act, guys, and if you are under the sound of my voice, you do not have a choice. Because you worked too hard, you lived in lack for too long, and it's time to kick up. And even if it means changing qualities of ourselves, let's do it. Because we know how it is to stay the same. We don't know how it is to transition to something different. But evolution and evolving definitely has to come with things that we have not had before. And I know I want things I haven't had. Because I know what lack's like. Let's get some prosperity. So positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, goodwill all your way. I am the greatest healer of all time with the message bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business, guys. Love you.